जी हाँ, कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा, बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती ही रहती हैं।
Right.
और अब आ चुका है वो वक्त जिसके बारे में हम पिछले सेगमेंट में आपको बता रहे थे। हमारे साथ जुड़ चुकी हैं डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल एंड वो हमें ज़्यादा बताएंगी विद ऑल द अपडेट्स दैट वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट हर, बट she has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and hemo and peritoneal dialysis. She specializes in chronic kidney diseases and they promote the use of advanced technology in their business. और उनके 3 कन्वीनियंट लोकेशंस भी हैं एंड वो मेडिकेयर, मेडिकेड और सारे इंश्योरेंस एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. सो लेट्स टॉक टू डॉक्टर नम्रता शर्मा गोयल. गुड मॉर्निंग डॉक्टर नम्रता.
Good morning, you guys. How are you doing today? You guys always do such a great job informing people about events, in the community. Of course, medical related, health related, social related. Anything we can do, we're all here to help.
Thank you so much, and it is definitely only possible with supporters like you. So thank you so much, Dr. Namrata, for that.
Of course, anytime.
So tell us, how has the COVID situation changed here in Houston, in USA, and what's the status now?
So the good thing is we do have, I would say about in the USA, I'd say about 1/3 of the population is now vaccinated.
Wonderful.
And of course, the 15 years and younger are included in that population.
Mm-hmm.
They are not available. The vaccines aren't available for them yet. But the Pfizer and Moderna have both taken emergency FDA approval. At least they're asking for it. So they are still waiting on the approval so that they can give the next batch of doses to ages 12 to 15. So that's our next step.
Okay.
Saying that more and more adults who want the vaccine, they have either received both doses or they are already on, definitely on they have an appointment for April and May. So we're doing well. I think more and more people are out there. And, of course, cities are opening up.
Right.
But, one thing I want to say is please keep your mask on. I know, this week I've gotten few patients in the hospital that have received the Pfizer vaccine, 2 doses, and they still got COVID 2 months later.
Oh.
Sick enough where they have to come to the hospital.
Oh.
And of course, I understand these are, especially if you're diabetic, you're on insulin, you're on any immunosuppression medication, whether it be for rheumatoid arthritis or psoriasis or any kind of transplant. Please be extra careful. I have seen people who are getting COVID with these conditions in the hospital, even after being vaccinated months out.
Wow.
And they are doing small things like, their whole group is vaccinated. They're having a dinner in a restaurant. But, if somebody's a carrier, you never know who's a carrier. You can still carry the COVID, and give it to somebody whose body is not as strong, even if you're vaccinated.
Yes.
So again, till coronavirus is not out, till we're not done with this pandemic and it is not out of our society, it is not out of our world, we are going to have to mask. Indoors, you don't have to mask outdoors if you're vaccinated. That is the new CDC, recommendation, guidelines. Yeah, but definitely indoors, if you can, walking through a restaurant, walking to the bathroom, fine. If you're sitting down, you're having, dinner with your loved ones or people you trust, you can take the mask off to eat. But the minute you get off the chair, put your mask back on. That's what I always tell people.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing that. And especially with the situation in India, a lot of people who've traveled back in the last 1 or 2 weeks from India. So it's definitely important to wear mask around them, even if you're fully vaccinated, right?
Exactly. Again, those people coming from India, they are carriers. I think everybody in India is a carrier at this point.
Yeah.
So, stay away from them for at least 14 days. Quarantine them if you have loved ones. I know they can only come back. People who are not citizens, they can only come back until May 4th.
Yes.
Now.
Yes, because from Tuesday, I think Biden administration has restricted travel from India.
Yes, and I recommend them as a physician. They should quarantine for 2 weeks after that May 4th or whenever they're in the country. They should quarantine at home. Don't go to anybody. Don't go to any stores. Stay home. Make sure they don't get sick or get the illness, because you never know. People are traveling back and forth on these planes going from India to England or anywhere else. I mean, there are 20 or 30 people on that flight. They're getting COVID.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Yeah, absolutely.
So it's a bad situation. And these are mutations. These are new mutations. It's the India strain is a very powerful mutation. Obviously, us Indians are very strong. So if something can get to us,
yes,
it has to be a very, very strong mutation.
Yes, even after we've had those pani puris, sadak mein, those vada pav, if that can get to us, then definitely it's strong.
So this is a strong COVID strain. We do, and it's already hit Houston. I got a few emails yesterday. This India strain has already hit Woodlands and Sugar Land.
Oh my God!
So please be careful. If you have COVID, you have fever, you have symptoms. If you think it's a common cold, I don't care. Stay home and quarantine for 14 days. Don't go to a wedding. Don't go to anything. If you're sick, stay home. You don't have a right to give it to anybody else.
Absolutely.
Not counting those UK strains or South Africa strains. They're all over.
Yeah.
Just be careful.
So everybody, you've heard it from the physician. You've heard it from her saying, mask up. If you feel sick, stay home. Now, Dr. Namrata, we, like you said, you had patients even after they were fully vaccinated and with their immunity level a little low. But we have been hearing that we would be needing, like even me, if I'm vaccinated fully, I would be needing a booster shot very soon. Please share something about that.
Yes, and most likely, and as I told you, I've seen patients in the hospital that are 2 months out of Pfizer that are getting COVID. Now, unless we do a study on their DNA, we don't know if this could be a strain.
Right.
It could be a new variant. So yes, we will most likely need booster shots, whether we need it in 6 months or 1 year. They're not sure. Pfizer and Moderna know that they are not going to be protected against these certain, strains, especially the India strain. I'm pretty sure Pfizer and Moderna is not protected against that. They're openly saying that. So yes, we're going to need the booster. mRNA viruses like COVID, like the flu, they replicate, they mutate, and once they mutate, because this is how COVID-19 came. Coronavirus has been in our world for 200 years. But it's the mutation strain that has now come out and has gotten to human beings. It used to be only on birds and animals. And so it's a variant, right? And it's going to continue to be a variant. It's going to continue to be to mutate.
Yes,
until
absolutely.
We can until we're all protected.
Oh,
so
yes.
I will not be surprised if every year, just like a flu shot, just like we have the flu here, if it's come to the humans, I think it'll stay with our human population for years, maybe 10 years, 15 years, who knows? Only time will tell. But again, keep yourself protected and, vaccinate. If it's 6 months or a year, get your vaccine just like the flu shot.
Absolutely. And now, you we all know, you are a part of many non-profits, your, philanthropic efforts. We've seen that, be it even, being a board member in India House, being, with Magic Bus. Tell us about the recent efforts that you have put together for helping raise funds for the situation in India.
Yes, so Magic Bus USA, which is very close to me, they are providing resources. They have a COVID fund, vaccination fund, and even health awareness fund. You can go on Facebook. Everybody has a Facebook account now. Just search Magic Bus COVID. I also support Pratham. You can search Pratham USA COVID Response Fund, and we're collecting money so that we can send medical support, such as life-saving medications, oxygen concentrators, cylinders. We're in partnership with different government health systems and agencies that are specializing in India that provide medical support, and their local organizations in different cities in India. So we have those contacts, and Magic Bus and Pratham, they're both doing that. So you can go on Facebook, and just put that name, put Magic Bus USA COVID Relief Fund, and they have you can donate on Facebook itself, and you will get an email back right away with your charitable contribution, which is 100% tax deductible. So, of course, you will benefit, and people in India will benefit. They do need oxygen, PPE, concentrators. And one thing, if you can tell your family in India, they only need to go to the hospital if they feel short of breath, because I feel a lot of these patients in India, they're not guided, and they're not educated. So they feel, hi, mujhe COVID ho gaya, main kya karu? Main hospital jana. And a lot of these beds are getting full with needless people that don't need to be in a hospital. They don't need to take that bed. So, if you just have a fever, hydrate, take your Tylenol, or in India it's paracetamol.
Yeah.
And quarantine, eat well, sleep well, and rest. Just like you would do in a flu situation here. When you get the flu, you don't rush to the hospital.
Right.
So, if you can't breathe and you feel that your oxygen is low, only then rush to your closest hospital in any part of the world. We need to protect and save hospital beds for those people who only need oxygen. And that's it.
Absolutely, absolutely right. So, and can you also share your contact details for people who want to contact you here, get appointments from you, so that, if they have any questions, even about what you've shared today with us, they can directly get in touch with you.
Of course, we can make an appointment with me, Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel, Monday to Fridays at 713-520-6875. Again, that's 713-520-6875. We take all insurances, private, Medicare and Medicaid, even Obamacare. Of course, if you have cash, we even take cash pay patients with a very, very big discount for anybody who does need to see me for any problem as well. And we also doing televisit, phone visit, video visits, and face-to-face visits. So for whatever you feel comfortable with, call 713-520-6875.
Wonderful. And anything more you would like to share before we let you go today, Dr. Namrata?
Please get your vaccine. Sign up. MemorialHermann.org is signing up for people, anybody in Houston over 16 plus. Your vaccines are open. Methodist is open. You do not have to be a patient now at any of these hospitals. You can go to their website and sign up. So if you have anybody 16 plus that you love, get them vaccinated so that we can beat, coronavirus in our country.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Namrata, for taking our time and coming on air and talking with us and sharing all that great information with our viewers and listeners. And again, I will give out that number, 713-520-6875. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanchika. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. So that was Dr. Namrata Sharma Goel, and she shared a lot of information about COVID and how important it is to wear those masks even now. COVID gaya nahi hai, dosto. It's still here. So we all have to be very, very, very careful.